Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you the best syncing notes app for every computers and smartphones. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. So once you log into this website, you will see its web page. Applications or the software name is standard notes, so you can see. So when you scroll down below, you can see it's available for Windows, Macintosh, Linux, iOS, Android, and even there is a web version, that is you can use this notes app using your web browser. Here you can see a logo of Firefox web browser, but it does not mean that it is only available for the Firefox web browser. You can use these applications even using the Google Chrome, Opera, Brave browser, or whatever browser you are using in your respective devices. So it is a multi-platform notes app, so you should definitely try this notes applications. And remember, this notes application has a syncing facility, and you can create an account too to sync your data across all the device at anywhere at any time. So without any further delay, you download your respective applications, or you can just visit the website and create the account. But as I have already installed this in my Windows computer, but if you're using different OS, then you can download your respective versions. So once you have downloaded and installed, open the notes applications, and you can see this is the notes applications, as I have already some data input in here. So it's very simple layout. You can see totally very simple in my opinion. So what's special about this is, suppose you can see here a plus symbol. When you click on the plus symbol, you can see here when I'm typing, you can see on the right above, you can see all senses are saved. That is, it syncs automatically without needing to turn on the syncing on any respective devices. Just you need to have to connect with the internet. So whatever you are typing, you can see in the right top corner that it is saving automatically when you are connected to internet. That means you don't need to sync each and every time to save your data. Just you need to have a internet connections that is connected with your respective device, and you keep on typing and it will save your respective data automatically. So this is the best features I ever liked, and trust me, it's become my favorite notes writing applications in enter my different devices, whether it may be a smartphone or it may be a computer or whatsoever. So what more specialty I will talk about this application is that you need to create an account. So if you have not created an account, then you create an account. So I have already created an account. You can see here account. So here you can see my account emails data. So after creating account, you will get one facility, that is a passcode lock, as you can see here. So you can add a passcode. So let me show you. So when you click on the passcode, you can type a password. Say I will type a simple password, confirm your password and set password. And you can see here you will get one options, auto log immediately after 1 minute, 5 minutes or 1 hour. I will set it to immediately. Then what happens when you set it to immediately? So I'll just minimize this, and when I open this application again, it will ask for a passcode. So in my opinion, this passcode feature is really very useful. Even you can encrypt all the data that is being saved inside these applications. So in my point of view, you should definitely check these applications out in any devices, whatever you were using, whether you were using a smartphone or computer. You must definitely try these applications. So there are some features too. You can add some extensions here by clicking on the extensions. Here you can see batch manager extensions. You can go to the its websites, and you can get those extensions too. So in my opinion, you try it out by yourself, this awesome free notes application, which is a awesome facility like providing fast code and even auto saving your data. Just you need to have an internet connection. So in my opinion, it's one of the best and my favorite notes apps. I don't know what about you, but try it out by yourself and let me know your opinions in the comments below. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.